Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Russell Retreat community being developed by Lennar in Green Cove Springs, Florida. Today we're going to be touring their newest model. This is the Trinidad II floor plan. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 3,026 square feet. Now, if you're looking for a large home in a small community, this might be a fit for you. The Russell Retreat community will have about 50 homes. All right, here we have a covered front porch, and then the driveway and porch are paved. Here is an 8-foot entry door with a side light. All right, here we have a 2-story foyer. And here to the left is a powder bath. All right, continuing our tour ahead, we have the dining room. And this dining room is approximately 10 feet by 14 feet. Okay, this table can easily fit 8. So large dining room here, lots of space. Straight ahead is the kitchen. Island quartz countertops, and this model features the gourmet kitchen layout, which the homes here will include. You're gonna have a cooktop with double ovens. Let's take a look at the pantry back here. Now this door straight ahead is the garage entry. So a walk-in pantry. And then straight ahead is a linen closet, currently being used as storage. Straight ahead is the great room, and this great room has 15 feet with 8 inches by 18 feet. Ceiling height here on the first floor is 9 feet, and interior doors are 8 feet. All right, let's take a look at the lanai. All right, so here we have the covered lanai, screened in and paved as well. Now this area is about 25 feet with 9 feet, and then there's additional space over here. Now this area is about 9 feet by 8 feet. So this door is the entrance to the owner's suite, which we'll take a look. And that is a standard structural option. Now, if you're not familiar with Lennar does choose the floor plan that will go on the home site and all of the structural and interior and exterior finishes. So the way the model looks is very close to how the homes that they build will look, except for light fixtures and some trim work. For the most part, this is how homes will look. Now be sure to check out my other videos on the Russell Retreat community, the other model home, and then a move-in ready home. And if you're interested in knowing more about Russell Retreat, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Now it is important to reach out to me first or be at your first visit with your agent, since builders do require that your agent be present at your first visit. All right, here we have the owner's bath, walk-in shower, transom window, linen closet here. And then water closet, and then the walk-in closet. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. Now, in case I didn't mention it, the owner suite is 13 feet with 4 inches by approximately 17 feet 5 inches. Okay, and here's the door that I was mentioning that leads into the lanai. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms. So you'll have the owner suite downstairs and then 4 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, here is the loft area. Now this loft is about 13 feet 6 inches by 15 feet. So great space for a hangout area, game room, media room. Going to continue the tour across here. This is the mechanical room. Okay, that's the HVAC, but wanted to show you there is additional space for storage here. All right, next is bathroom 2. This bathroom will feature 1 sink and a shower tub combo. Transom window there. This bathroom connects to bedroom 2. You can see there. And bedroom 2 has 13 feet with 8 inches by 15 feet, 3 inches. I'll give you another point of view over here. And upstairs we have 8-foot ceiling height with standard door height, 6 feet with 8 inches approximately. Okay, a walk-in closet. Next we have bedroom 5. Now this is based off of the floor plan. And this bedroom has 11 feet 2 inches by 10 feet. Gonna get another point of view over here. Closet straight ahead. Okay, we're gonna cross the loft and take a look at bedroom 3. Right, and bedroom 3 has approximately 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Here's the closet. This bedroom connects to bathroom 3. 2 sinks. Then over here we have a shower tub combo with a transom window. And bathroom 3 connects into bedroom 4. Same size as bedroom 3, 11 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Okay, closet here. And then we'll take a look at the laundry. Here is the laundry room, large with the pre-plumb for a sink, washer and dryer connections there, and then there's a closet over here. So lots of storage space. If you'd like more information on the Russell Retreat community, Lennar Homes, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.